Okay, welcome back. We are starting with Lock It Link Riches. And those are the progressives. And it's that Lock It Link. Got money in the machine? Let's get started. We need 6 bombs. Or I'll show you for the free games what else. We need 6 of these bombs. I'll show you what we need for the free games. Oh, we need 3 of these treasures for the free game. So let's do it. Let's hit the big one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got it, we're in. It didn't take that long. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up. Really help us out that way. Let's go. Let's pick the dynamites. That's what we want. Full screen. Make it big. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, little something. Let's fill them all up. Let's do it. Come on. Wish us luck. Let's do it. Come on. Okay. I need some more. More. Come on. Okay. Let's fill them up some more. Come on. Okay. Let's fill them up some more. Come on. The more we fill up, the better. Come on. Okay. 3 more would be a nice one. Boom. Okay. That was it, huh? Okay. That was a quick bonus. Come on. Let's do something good. Big numbers. Big ones. Minor, major. Give us the grand. Giving us small numbers. Okay. Alright, that's a quick bonus. Let's keep on playing. Don't forget to smash those thumbs up and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. $10.62. Let's go. Do it again. These are the wilds. Okay, $4.32, not bad. We need to get 6 of them to trigger it. Come on, machine. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And we post new videos every single day. Another $4.25. We're gonna hit it, something good. We'll get the bonuses again. Do it. 3 treasures or 6 dynamites. Let's do it. 1 more. We needed 1 more. 1 fast spin. Okay. Do 1 more fast spin. Almost. We needed 2 more. It's coming. We are going to hit it. Come on. Be nice to us, machine. Come on. Give us the dynamite or 3 treasures. We're in it. Alright, we missed 2 there. Almost. Let's do the bonus time. $1.95. Okay. A little something there. Let's do this. Come on, machine. 3 more. 2 away. We're gonna get it really soon. 3 treasures would have been good. We'd get the 3 games again. 1 fast spin. Okay, 2 more. We got it. We are in. Smash those thumbs up and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Let's do this. Come on. Fill up the whole screen right here. Be beautiful. Come on. Alright, that was no good. Come on, save it. We need to fill up the whole thing. Come on. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. After this, we've got 1 more game, so fill it up. That's not looking good. Come on. Small ones. Okay. Little something, right? A little something. Okay. We'll get it again. One fast spin, one more, and one more. Please let's try one more. One more. Okay. Sometimes the fast spins work. Oh, we just needed 2 more treasures. We would have been in. One more, one more, one more. One more treasure. We would have been in. We're gonna get it right now. Okay, come on, machine.
No, but I know it's like...
Okay, well, those are wilds. Another $2.40. Come on. One fast spin. Okay. It's coming. Ooh, we want to get those with it. Those are the gold ones. That'd be nice, huh? So let's do it. Come on. Come on, Eureka Treasure Train.
Attention, Red Hot guests. Our drum is now open for a $10,000 jackpot party drawing. That's
3 more.
at 6 o'clock. Our drum is now open. So
We just needed 3 more. We would have been in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. 3, 2, 1 more. We had a gold one right there. That would have been a nice one. Okay, stop it there. $1.30. We started with $25 in the machine, so we're back to our money almost. I think it's gonna give it to us again. It's gotta give us something good, right? Come on, machine. Be nice. One fast spin, one more. Okay. 2 more. There we go. Told you. We are back in the game. That was me in a train. Come on, let's fill it all up. Fill it all up this time. Come on. Come on. Save those babies. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. More. Okay. Let's do 4 more. Come on. Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay, 2 more. 1 more. We need 1 more. We can get the grand. Come on. Oh, we can get the grand right now. All right, ready? Let's do this. Let's get the grand. This is gonna be amazing. Smash those thumbs up. Come on, grand. 16,000. That would be nice. Never had it before. Come on, grand. We want to see a grand train. It says grand. Come on, grand, please. 1 time. Let's do it. Let's do it for the channel. Grand. Just 1 time we're asking for it. Not too much. Come on. Grand. Grand. Come on. Show us the grand. 1 time. We need the grand. Come on, machine. Grand. We want the grand. Just 1 time. Let's do it. Come on. Grand. Come on. We want the grand. Say grand and we got it. That'll be amazing. This will be a special video. Wow. Come on. Grand. Let's do it. Come on. $16,168 it'll be. Come on. I didn't give it to us. Well, we'll try again. Oh, me need $10 extra. The grand would have been nice, right? Not bad. Please smash those thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's try to do it again. Maybe it'll do something good again. One fast spin. 1 more. Okay. I want to get those gold ones. I want to try it out. I never had the gold ones. Or maybe I did. I don't remember. Come on, let's do it again. 3 more would have been in. 3. Come on, machine. Oh, we just needed one more treasure. We would have had it. $1.40. Okay. Come on. Two more. One faster. Come on, machine. Ay, ay, ay. Ja? Zet we naar je 6 stuk. You think, guys, we're gonna hit it again? Two more. There we go. We are in the game. Smash those thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. We'll put out new videos every single day. So let's get started. Come on. Come on. Stick them all across. We need a lot of them. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Okay. Come on. More here. We want them over here. Come on, stick it. Last one, we had to save them. Come on. These little ones. Okay, let's see what we win. Smash those thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We put out new videos every single day. Okay, let's watch the top. Here's a mini, minor, major. Okay, little something. Big one's bigger than that. You bet 60 cents and that's all it gives you? Oh well, okay. Let's keep on playing. $7.80, okay. One more, two more. Oh, we need two more of those. Two fast spins. 1, 2, okay. Come on, let's do it again. One more. Come on, machine. Ay. Machine is cooling off, huh? We had not a bad run, right? Come on, three. Ay, that would have been nice. Come on, machine. Hit it. Come on, one more. We needed one more. It would have been in. Now it came too late. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up and we'll be back. Thank you for watching.